Yeah, 100 shots, dollar bills, dripping on the side, flex your necklace, go to mail. We are not in the same league, same lane, same place. We don't move at the same speed, can't be.
Good morning, everybody. Let me flip this way. Good morning, everybody. I just want to jump on right quick, and I'm gonna be talking real fast because I'm late. I'm late getting to work, but y'all see I got the tank set up behind me. Today I'm supposed to be getting my package, so today when I get my package, I'm gonna make a video of me opening my package so y'all can see what I got. And it'll be the first time tasting it. It'll be the first time I think anybody has seen it, or yeah, anybody has seen it. So yeah, I'll probably come back in here on lunch and talk a little bit more about it, but right now I'm running late. But I just wanted to get on here and start this video because I said I was gonna start this video. And y'all probably already gonna see it, but go watch my other video that I just put up. It was Christmas and Niecy's birthday and just stuff that we had did. I know it's all late. I just got my other phone back, but anyway, I'll get back on here later on. Y'all have a good Wednesday, and I will see y'all when I come back. Ooh. Hey, Facebook. Hey, YouTube. Look what I got. Look what came today. Let me see if I can focus. My phone is like on 9%. Y'all, there go my package. Let me get out the car. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Got it from my turtle store. Okay. But yeah, there's the tank. We got the stuff still up there. The dock that I made. The light. The filter and all of that. This is a 35-40 gallon tank, I think. Can't remember, but so excited. What's up, YouTube? So I'm done doing what I had to do. I'm about to go in here and open up this box. I am so excited. I don't know if I ever put up a vlog with Pablo. Pablo is my old turtle. He died, y'all. He died. I think the water was too cold, but I had been researching this company online for a long time. For like about 5 months I've been looking at this company online, and I don't like buying myself nothing, but my parents, they had gave me a gift card for Christmas. So as a gift to myself and to Tay, I got us a turtle. I don't know what the turtle looked like. Well, I know what the turtle looked like, but Tay didn't want to know what the turtle looked like. So I said I wasn't going to look at the turtle no more until it came in the box. And when I pulled up in the driveway, y'all, I was so excited to see that box. But yeah, we about to go in there and I'm about to open it. I'm going to get Tay to come out and we're going to open it so we can see what he or she look like. All right, y'all. Catch up with y'all in about 1 minute. All right, y'all. So we about to open it. Here go the box. Y'all don't ask you, I just got the shower, huh? What thing upside down? Well, let's just hurry up and open it. I don't see no holes in it. Y'all, I hope it's still alive in here. I don't want to shake it up to death. I guess I should have had grabbed some scissors before I came in here. I was just so excited to open it. Lord, you're gonna cut them up in there. I'll be out of the screen. Lord, please don't make this thing be dead. Y'all, we're gonna get this together in a minute. I'm shaking. You see him? Oh, I was trying to do it. Oh, look at him. Are you alive? He's moving. He's moving, y'all. Wait. You're a little thing. He's smaller than Pablo. I'm shaking. Look at him. Oh my goodness, look at him. Oh, look at him. I'm shaking. Hi. He heavy. Hi. Let me turn. Excuse me now. He came in this little thing. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. I'm gonna have to look. This the lid. And that's a heat pack. I got 2 heat packs and there's the other stuff. And we're gonna put them in. We're gonna go ahead and put them in. You wanna hold them tight before I put them in? Look how small he is. Hold him up so they can see the bottom of him. Y'all, he orange on the bottom. Hold it up. Hold him up. Say, like, hold him up. Not you. Thank you. And look at him. Everything who's shaking, me or you? Wait, okay. Put him, I don't know if we should put him in the water. And I think that water might put him in the water. Really, Faye? Okay, he ain't doing nothing. Oh, all right. What you gonna name him?
I said Pablo Jr.
No. I don't know if he need to eat or not. Well, y'all, I'm about to get off of here. When we have a name for him, I'll come back on. When my phone is charged, I can get a better video. That's about it. Alright, y'all. Okay, y'all. So, y'all seen us open the box. I'm sure y'all will see him in more videos. I'm going to charge my phone up if I don't edit this video now and upload it. But we picked a name, and his or her name is going to be Apricot. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl yet, but I'll be finding out real soon. But as of now, the name is Apricot because you can't really see it in the video, but he's orange on the bottom with orange stripes. I'm gonna have to charge my phone up and go back in there and get a closer look so y'all can see him. But y'all, welcome Apricot. I was so excited about this. I'm really excited. I can't wait to go in here and look at him again. But I gotta get off here. But thank y'all for watching, and yeah, I'll see y'all on the next video. There's Apricot. And it is a boy. And let me see if I can. So Ivy can see. Well, all the boys can see. There's Apricot, y'all. Look at him. He won't come from over there in the corner. He still got to get used to it, boys. Where'd he go? Oh, he's still over there. Let me get up. And I'm saying boys, y'all, because I got to send this to my nephews. There's the orange that we was talking about. But yeah, y'all, he's getting used to his tank. He was up there sitting on the thing, as y'all seen. Yeah, so yeah, y'all, there's Apricot. Y'all see more of him. Trust and believe. And all right, y'all, see y'all on the next video.